Amazing card trick. A deck of cards. The person, the audience selects any card they like. So suppose this is the card they select. Got it? And they take the card and they put it in the middle. So your card is not here, not here. Somewhere in the middle. Watch. I take the card like this invisibly, I reverse it and I put it right back. Don't believe me? Yeah, it's done. Watch. One card, you see? One card has reversed and that is your card. The 5 of spade, your card. No, that was not your card. The 5 was not your card. Oh, wait a second. Actually, I know. This is an indicator card. It's indicating where is your card. So it's indicating your card is at 5th place. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th, that's your card. Let's check. Yeah, 5 of hearts. That's your card, right? But not only that. See, not only I find your cards, I also found the 4 aces. You see, the 4 aces. So this is the requirement. A deck of cards. It can be a borrowed deck of cards. The other part is that you need cards with border. So there should be white border. If there is no white border, the trick can be obvious because one card is going to be reversed. So you need to set up the cards before the performance. So the aces, you take the aces out. This is before the performance. You do this. Okay, so you don't do this in front of the audience. You do this away from the audience. So they should not know this, that this is the secret part. So you take 4 aces in any order. Keep it on the bottom. You keep it on the bottom. So the 4 aces. And take a 5. Any 5 will do. I am taking a 5 of spade. Take the 5 of spade. And it should be 5th. So 1 ace, 2 ace, 3 ace, 4th. And the 5th card should be a 5. So 5 of diamond, 5 of heart, any 5. And reverse it. So this is the situation. 4 aces on the bottom. The 5 is reversed. And other cards on they will like it doesn't matter, they can be mixed. So this is the situation, right? Got it? Now you can ask them like this to take any card from, so don't tell take any card from the top, just tell take any card and they will take any card. So they take any card. For example, they took this card. Yeah. Now you just tell them keep the card here and you cut it in the middle. So you see the aces is going on top of their card. Now you act that you're going to take their card like this invisibly, reverse it and keep it back. So you tell them that you reverse the card invisibly and now you show them that the card is reversed. See? You say that this is your card, the 5 of spade, this is your card. They say no, this was not my card. Then you say, oh, wait a second, actually it's an indicator card, it's an indication that where is your card. So 5 of spade means I'm 5 cards away from your card. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th card is your card, right? Then you say not only that, not only I found your card, 2 of diamonds, I also found 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. So here is the small tip. So I just do it quickly. So this was their card. So this card was reversed. The 4 aces were here. They took the 2 of diamonds. They keep it on the top. You cut it in the middle. Now when you spread like this, always go towards your left. Left. So sometimes I get confused, like which side to go. So if you are spreading it like this, you have to go towards your left. So 5, So 1, 2, 3, 4, and their card is the 2 of diamonds, and these cards are the 4 aces. So guys, I think you got the trick, and always practice before doing the trick. See the video like few times, learn it, and show it to your friend. Thank you. Bye bye.